Sometimes you're scrolling in Facebook and suddenly your videos start playing. Okay, you might not like this. For me, I'm totally okay with it. But if you want to turn off the autoplay for your Facebook, so this is how you can do it. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump to my computer first and let me show you how you can turn on or turn off video autoplay for your Facebook. Let's go. Alright, first up, open up your Facebook account in Google Chrome or any other browser that you use. Now, this is what you do if you do not want to have autoplay in your videos. But to be honest, Facebook don't have a lot of videos. I find that my posts on Facebook don't have a lot of videos compared to Instagram. But never mind, let's continue. Okay, so now go to top right, which is your account. Click on this and then click on settings. Scroll down, click on settings and policy. Then you see here settings. Then you wait for it to load. Go to the left side. You can scroll down. You can see this word preferences. Click on media. Then you can see here autoplay videos. So these settings only apply when you use the Facebook website. Okay, you can turn on or turn off. So okay, so this is how you can turn on and turn off autoplay videos. I prefer to turn it off because I don't want it suddenly just start moving, right? So this is how you do it in your computer. And now let me jump to my phone and let me show you how it can be done through my phone, which is an iPhone. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Facebook app. Now this Facebook app is in iPhone, so it's a bit different than Android. Android is the difference is just iPhone is at the bottom for Facebook. For Android, it is on top, all the menus. Alright, apart from that, everything is the same. So now you can see that when I scroll down, some of the videos are being autoplayed, right? So let's turn it off. So for me, I prefer to keep it on, but yeah, let's do it. So click on bottom right. If you're using Android, it's top right. Click on your picture menu, go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. So you can see it's quite similar. Huh? Go to preferences, but you can see here there's a lot more features compared to what you see in the computer. Okay, click on media, and then you can see here in-app sound, video quality, scroll, and you can see autoplay. So now you can see there's a lot more autoplay function here compared to computer. So you can autoplay when using mobile data and Wi-Fi. I'm using unlimited mobile data, so it's fine. Okay, or you can only limit it to on Wi-Fi or never autoplay video. Same thing as what you see just now. Start with sound or don't start with sound. Story start with sound or don't start with sound. All these things. So you can set it up. For me, I can turn it on all the time because yeah, I'm using unlimited data and I'm using Wi-Fi most of the time. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can stop videos from playing automatically in your feed on Facebook. You can turn on or turn off, is totally up to you. For me, I prefer turning on using my mobile, but when I use computer, I prefer to turn it off. If you like what I share, do like this video and do subscribe to this channel if you're not done so.